Now he's almost 5 months old, right? Okay.
He just thinks that's the coolest thing in the world.
Things that you're gonna show him when he's older. He's gonna be like, mother. You are too funny.
Are you loving Auntie Jen? Are you loving your Auntie Jen?
Oh, I love you.
I love you too. You're so
It's really funny.
He's like, why are you laughing? Oh.
Aww.
All right, little man, can we go eat and we can entertain you while we all eat?
Yes, let's eat.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know.